Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these delicious cacao bites using the Cacao Bliss by Earth Echo. And Earth Echo is also the sponsor of today's video. So if you have a sweet tooth and you love delicious chocolate, then stay tuned. This video is for you. Cacao Bliss has ceremonial grade cacao blended with turmeric, MCT, lucuma, and 4 superfoods. It's a really great way to enjoy chocolate guilt-free. Also, you can use the discount code Sheila for 15% off your entire order over $50 at earthechofoods.com. Be sure to check out the link down below to pick up your Cacao Bliss. These are so good. If you have a sweet tooth and you love chocolate, you're gonna absolutely love this. Definitely check out the link down below in the description box to pick up your Cacao Bliss and try this recipe out. You'll absolutely love it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye.